In this video, I will show you how to apply the alignment constraint to the walls. So what you will do, you will go in the modify panel, go in the annotate, then you have apply the alignments. Here aligns mention, click here, you will see the here wall face, you can choose center of the core. Here go individual wall or entire, click here, go in the options, then click in the center or with center, and then you can here must be click in the walls, then you can select this one and see here, click here. Now if you click here, you will see there is one symbol EQ, equal. EQ mean equal. So this wall not equal, this room you want to equal, just click here, you will see this is all room coming equal. If you click again, they will show you dimension. See this all dimension equal. So like this one you can make equal your room. So this is constraint wall mean like this one. For example, you have this room, you want to make this all in the one same dimension, and this called constraint. So go in the alignment, then you have to choose here entire wall or individual. If you need one wall, so you can choose individual, other walls, entire walls. Then go in the option and select the center or width and intersection walls. Click here, then you have to select here walls. You will see here now this wall different size. Here this room, this room, this room. You want to make constraint, just click here, you will see equivalence, just click, they all coming in the same. Secondly, this door, if I make this one for example again like this, and this should be door coming parallel, so then you have to create here some offset. You can also lock the door dimension. For example, I click this one, if I move this wall here, you will see it's coming error, so it's mean door is coming not this one. So what you will do in this case, if you want these doors all will be coming same size, then you will see here, go in the dimension, then you can select here individual, then you have dimension from here to here. For example, from here to center is coming 400, then change this one, just click here and make here 400. When I click here, you can put here 400. So I need this dimension 400 for all. What you will do, just select this dimension, then go here, it will be coming label, just create one label from here, door to wall distance. For example, we'll choose and click here OK. You will see here one thing. Then if you want to change, just click here, it will put here 500, it will be go like this one. So you have to create label, then click here. If you want to make all same, just click here, see from here to here, it will be like this, from here to here. You want to make constraint all same, what you will do, just select here, then control select this one, go here label, same label, door to wall, you will select all coming equal. Now you will see here, if you want to make, for example, I move this wall from here, door will be go parallel, so it's also this is coming room size same. Now if I move here, it will be coming same. Click here, I will move this one, see coming same. But if I close this one and I move, this not going. But if I click here and make here open, so it will be when I move, so all will become this called this apply alignment constraint to the walls, so all wall come equal. So in this video you can make your all walls alignment constraint, or also you can make a dimension.